it's okay. You be swerving.
I fuck you from the back and leave you turning. The type that...
Welcome back to my channel. I am happy and glad to be back to a new tutorial. So today I've been wanting to try this. I've been actually trying it out, and I just wanted to come on here to do a wear test. And I haven't worn it a lot, but I have worn it about 2 to 3 times, and I like the way the coverage is naturally like medium coverage, and I don't know, it just actually makes it still like naturally nice. It doesn't even add or look cakey, if you know what I mean. So today we will be reviewing the Too Faced Born This Way. It is new for me, so I know it has been out and you know people already have used it or tried it out, but I wanted to come and try it out and do a wear test. I'm just going to be applying my foundation and everything before this, and then we will go on with the looks. I'm going to be doing a couple of looks after this, so I'm just going to be applying the foundation and you know testing to see how it is. I will come back and let you guys know how does it hold, because I will be doing 2 looks, so I kind of still want to have the foundation for those looks, being that I need foundation anyway. And see how this wear test goes for the Born This Way Too Faced Luminous Oil Free Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. Please stay watching, don't forget to like first, subscribe, and become one of the beautettes of my family. This is the Beautettes family. You are all my beauties, and right into it. So first I need to moisturize because it's winter time and my face is This is a refreshing balm stick for the face, and it actually keeps it hydrated. It's a cucumber bamboo hydration stick, and I absolutely love this, especially for now that there's winter. Everything is cracked. I'm just gonna be patting that around my skin for some hydration. Okay. Now I'm going to be using the History I'm going to grab my Laura Mercier foundation primer. I love being like hydrated and ready for my foundation because I want to see, you know, like I said, I wore this foundation 2 times, but my ass got drunk, so I didn't get to keep on with the videos as to show how does it look, how did it stain, is it worth buying, all that good stuff. So I figured since I have to do some looks, I might as well, and I have to have foundation on, I might as well review, because I just got this new foundation. It's new to my collection, so I'm moving my way up to the ones that I actually want, and you know, the foundation type that I like, because sometimes I'm in a mood for natural, sometimes I'm in a mood to be a full coverage biatch. You know, catfishing these species. Now we're gonna go in with our pink beauty blender. I absolutely love beauty blenders, and we're gonna hop right in with this one. So now we are going to be applying the Born This Way foundation. Yeah, so we're going in with this Ruby Kisses concealer, and we're gonna put it right exactly where I need it. And yeah. Hey my loves, I have added my foundation application and I am loving it so far. It's like a very natural medium coverage, and if you want to build on more you can. I'm going to hop in now. If you want to stay tuned and keep watching, I'm gonna hop in now to my next video, so please hop on to the next one so you can see how does everything apply, how does everything stay, and to see what looks I'll be doing for this next look.